I have a Temu haul for you all, and we're gonna get started. So I got these DIY lashes from Temu, and this one came with a tweezer and a brush. And then I got this other one here. It almost looks similar. It does look similar. And then I wanted something more natural and not as like, you know, not like, I don't want a lot. But I feel like these two look exactly alike. But they came with different stuff in the package. I don't know, what is this? Okay. Oh, this is cute. Look, it came with, I like this. Okay, so it came with a little brush. This is cute. I like that. Okay, we're gonna not lose that. And then I did order the lash. And this one is a little bit different. I'm not gonna try this one on today though. Nose rings, and I do have that one on here. And it kind of just comes in this bag here. One thing I want to say about this here, that when I put it in, I got the one with the ball at the end. When I put it in, it goes easily, so it can lose easily. Sometimes when you get the one with the ball, the straight and the ball, it's hard, it's sore to put it in. That means it'll probably be in there longer because it won't just slide out. But this one, I lost 3 already. So that's why it's good to have like multiples of your nose ring when it's like that, especially. Next thing I got is toilet seat covers, because sometimes when I go out, it's good to just pop it in your bag. There's like 1, 2, 3, 5 in here. Good to pop it in your bag, and then you have your own little thingy. Okay, so I do eyebrow tint and stuff like that. So I'm gonna try these. That's what I bought these for, is to do my, why is there like dust or whatever, to apply the tint onto the eyebrows. And that's what I bought these for. I don't know, but you see how like short the brush is? But I think that might be good to just apply the dye on the eyebrows. So we're going to test that out as well. We'll see. I'm going to put this here. And then, okay, this is another thing. It's so funny to me because I didn't think it would be this small. Okay, and then another thing is when I'm doing my like eyebrow mapping. Okay, so this here, you see how small? I didn't realize it would be this small, but I want to say it might be good just to have it to be this small, because you don't need that big one like this, you know, because you just gotta like kind of like measure their eyebrows. So I think we're gonna check it out and see how. But it's so cute because look how small it is. Yeah, okay. And then that one came with the thread to do the mapping. Because some thread that you can buy it. Oh yeah, it's the black one. So it's the black one. Yeah, and it's kind of, it's good. Some of them dry out, so you can't use it, you know what I mean? So that's the stuff I bought just to try it. And I didn't have any brushes to do the eyebrow tint. And I did buy a headlamp. It's rechargeable. So when I do like, I do have a light with a lens like magnifying lens to do the lashes, but sometimes the light is not the brightest, so I'm just trying to think that maybe a brighter light, I don't know, we'll see. But this is a headlamp. I don't know if I even will use it because I will need the magnifying lenses, so I got that. Maybe I'll give it to my friend. Yeah, okay. But anywho, that is my Temu little haul. I just want to try these, so we're gonna go ahead and try them together. Why not? Yeah. And then this bond thing, I got it from Amazon, so it's not from Temu. Okay, so we're just gonna test one of them out. The only thing I don't like about, like, if I take the lashes out later on today, then it'll be all sticky and stuff. Okay, we're gonna do number 12 at the end. And it's really like, can you guys see it? There's like, it's not a thick band at the end. So so it's very natural looking. And that's something I like, just kind of natural. So yeah, we're gonna just go on, move on to the next side. It's very, very faint, but it's okay. I like it. It's just like I have mascara on. We're just gonna go ahead and seal the stuff. We're gonna go ahead and do the next side. Sorry, there's like a lot of noise. My road is right there. My window is open, my door. So I like this trays because it only went up to 12. I don't really want to use 14s and 16s, so it's like a waste of money if I'm going to buy that one. I'm just going to seal this side too. Alrighty guys, so this is my lashes. I don't know if you guys can see it, but I just wanted something that was more on the natural side and not too much volume or no rush and stuff. We don't need that. We don't need my eyes to be way down, so this is just right. I just kind of like the natural look, just a little. And then yeah, I'm kind of happy with my Temu haul. I mean, I will buy some stuff from there sometimes, but not all the time. And we're gonna just, you know, see how it works with my eyebrow mapping and stuff like that, I may do a video of me using it. And yeah, so I will see you all in my next video. Thank you guys so much for watching. Don't forget to like, subscribe, hype the video. If you don't know what hype is, it's another bar down below where it says hype. And what else? Share if you want to, and leave me a comment down below, and I will see you all in my next video. Bye.